Kia ora, green thumbs. Welcome back to Grow Your Own Food. Last time we dug deep into understanding and building the perfect soil, the foundation of your garden. But even the richest, most glorious soil in the world needs one crucial ingredient to truly bring your plants to life. Sunlight isn't just bright, it's vital. That's right. Think of sunlight as your plant's primary food source. It's what powers photosynthesis, transforming simple water and CO2 into the energy they need to grow, flower, and produce delicious pie. Get this right, and your plants will flourish. Get it wrong, and you'll have some very unhappy veggie specimens. So, how much light do your plants really need? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. We typically talk about three main categories. Full sun. This means at least 6 to 8 hours of direct, unfiltered sunlight per day. Think most fruiting vegetables like tomatoes, capsicums, courgettes, and corn. Partial sun, partial shade. These terms are often used interchangeably and mean about 3 to 6 hours of direct sun, usually in the morning or late afternoon, with some protection from the intense midday sun. Many leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and some herbs thrive here. Dew. This refers to less than 3 hours of direct sun, often with bright, indirect light for the rest of the day. A tricky spot for most edibles, but some specific herbs like mint or even microgreens can tolerate. To figure out what you've got, don't just guess. Spend a day or even a few days observing your space. Go outside every couple of hours from sunrise to sunset and literally track where the sun is hitting. Take notes or even photos. You might be surprised by how the light shifts. That sunny spot in the morning might be in full shade by lunchtime. Now, alongside light, temperature is another critical factor. Just like us, plants have ideal temperature ranges where they perform best. Most of our common veggies are warm season crops. They love the heat and sunshine. Think tomatoes, chilies, eggplants. They need consistent warmth, typically above 15 degrees Celsius, to really take off. Then there are cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, broccoli, and peas. They prefer cooler temperatures, often between 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, and can bolt, go to seed prematurely if it gets too hot. Here in Aotearoa, we experience everything from biting southerlies to scorching summer days. For warm season crops, watch out for late frosts in spring. A simple frost cloth can make all the difference. And when summer really heats up, too much direct sun can cause heat stress, wilting, stunted growth, or even scorched leaves. Sometimes providing a bit of afternoon shade with a shade cloth can be a lifesaver. So, putting it all together, how do you choose the absolute best location for your garden? Prioritize light. First and foremost, identify the sunniest spots in your yard or on your balcony. These are your prime locations for sun-loving veggies. Consider shelter. Protect your plants from harsh winds. Strong winds can damage foliage, dry out soil quickly, and stress plants. Fences, hedges, or even the side of your house can provide excellent shelter. Accessibility. Make sure your garden is easy to get to. You'll be watering, weeding, and harvesting regularly. If it's tucked away at the back of beyond, you're less likely to tend to it. Think about proximity to a water source too. Drainage. We talked about soil last episode, but ensure your chosen spot doesn't become a swimming pool after rain. Good drainage is key. By combining these factors, you can pick the perfect home for your new plantings. For this episode's sticky element, I've got a fun activity for you. Grab a piece of paper and draw a simple map of your yard or balcony. Now, here's the clever bit. Over the next sunny day, every couple of hours, mark where the sun falls at different times. Use different colors for morning, midday, and afternoon sun. you'll end up with your very own sun mat. This will be your secret weapon for successful planting. If you found this useful, hit that like button, share it with someone who wants a greener thumb, and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Now that you know exactly where the best spots are, what are you going to put your glorious soil in? Join us next time as we dive into container creations and raised bed bliss. We'll show you how to get growing no matter how much space you have at Kite Nano.